Welcome to Cryptogold Exchange. I'd like us to briefly look this up and see how we can be part of it and actually enjoy the experience. So I'll be leaving for you a link in the pinned comment of the video and also on the Telegram page. And when you click on it, you find yourself here, the registration page. To create your account and join the future of cryptocurrency trading, you provide your email address, you choose a password, enter your first name, last name, your phone number, address, city, country. You find my referral code here, don't touch it. Then you click on create account. So we're here. I guess we've been logged in. So here is live price of BTC against tether. Just click on menu here. So on the trading page, by the way, there is balances. So it says I have received 35 GGC, which is equivalent to $175. My address is here. The withdraw button is also here. So other tokens available on the portfolio are BTC, USDT, ETH, BNB. Hit the menu again. There is a swap button. So what are you swapping? Let's select the token. All TRX, BTC, and USDT are available for swap at the moment. So it says this exchange is backed by gold, and what we have here are these people's transactions. 100,000 GGC, $1 sold equals to $100,000. 50,000 buy GGC with USDT, buy GCC with BTC. Well, the menu again. Are we not going to do any KYC? It's nothing like that required. Balances, deposit, swap, withdraw, transactions, referrals. I haven't referred anyone for now. So let's check their Twitter page for updates. And so I'm out here looking for their official Twitter page without access. What's going on? Why won't they have a Twitter page? A project that is giving people $175 instant sign-up bonus. Ain't no way. Maybe I'm not just searching right. Maybe their Twitter handle is not exactly the way I'm expecting, right? Because they should have. Well guys, Twitter handle or not, it costs nothing to register, right? And another thing, they didn't even ask me to verify the email. And then I'm not saying anything about KYC, right? So these are some of the things I've observed. But regardless, secure your spot while waiting for what's coming or what might be. So this will be all for now guys, not financial advice. And thanks so much. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and enable the little notification bell icon to be the first to see my next video. Bye bye.